Chestnuts are consumed around the world and are one of the more popular nuts due to their pleasant taste and ability to be added to a number of recipes. One popular way to get the incredible health benefits of chestnuts is to boil them in water and then drink the liquid, creating a type of healthy chestnut tea. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming chestnut tea. First, the liquid from boiled chestnuts is packed with numerous types of vitamins, minerals, and other healthy nutrients. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, magnesium, vitamin B6, iron, and potassium. They are also a good source of antioxidants. Boiled chestnut water can also help to naturally boost our immune system. This is often attributed to the liquid's high levels of vitamin C and potent antioxidants. These high levels of vitamin C stimulate the production of white blood cells, which, along with the powerful antioxidants, can eliminate free radicals that can cause oxidative stress. This allows the liquid from boiled chestnuts to also eliminate unwanted bacteria, boosting immunity. Boiling chestnuts and consuming the liquid can also help to improve heart health many different ways and reduce the risk of developing heart disease. It can help to regulate blood pressure levels due to its high levels of potassium and magnesium. Potassium acts as a natural vasodilator, which can help to promote the health of our blood vessels and arteries. Also, boiled chestnut water can reduce inflammation and lower the risk of atherosclerosis. Lastly, when chestnuts are boiled and the liquid consumed, it can help to improve the health of our bones and reduce the risk of bone-related ailments. This is because it contains bone-healthy nutrients, such as magnesium, iron, and copper. Magnesium can help to increase bone mineral density, while all of these nutrients and compounds can help to prevent bone disorders such as osteoporosis. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.